Hi everyone. In today's video, what we are going to see is how to add the custom fields in TestRail, and similarly like how to add some additional values in the existing fields in TestRail. So TestRail is one of the best test management tool where you can do uh, lot of integration and lot of flexible things you can do for your project. So first we are going to see how to add the custom fields. Okay, so in order to do adding the custom fields you need the admin access. So here I'm going to show you how to do it. You have to click the administration, you have to click customization. Okay, so here you can see all the fields which already there in the project. Okay, um, like all the existing fields and any custom fields which you added, everything will be there, and you can do the positioning as well, like pushing the top and bottom, everything you can do, and you can also delete it if it's not really required. Okay, so here like if this is one of the custom field which I've added, but I don't want to need it right now, means I can very well delete it right away here. Okay, so lot of things, I mean this all the major fields will be then the case fields, and the remaining you can see here like in results fields, template and case types, everything. So there is a lot of customization you can do. Okay, okay, before adding the how to add the custom fields, let me show you how the test trail looks like in a default way. Okay, here you can see a sample test suite. Okay, so here I will show you. So I have already added some of the custom fields in this test suite. Example, if you see there's a field called conditions. Okay, this is actually a custom one. Okay, which I added particularly for this project. Okay, the remaining things are pretty much the existing one. Okay, so show you how to add the custom fields. So here you can click the add field. Okay, so here you can name the label name here. Okay, so you can choose a type. Okay, you can choose a date, drop down, integer, milestone, multi select, like this. You can do they have given a lot of types. Okay, let me give you one. I can show you a multi select. Okay, so that is helpful for certain projects, like if you want to label it certain test cases. So let me give you a label name as environment. Okay, this is something which is related to the database of the test trial. So you can do any name which is kind of unique. Okay, I give nb test. So they are asking like this field is applies to all the templates or following templates. So there are certain templates are there in TestRail, like if you want to cucumber uh, or a like while uploading or while creating itself, there is a lot of ways, like you can make a test steps as a multi-step or a single step. So so for all those cases, like the templates will be differ. Okay, so that's the reason these options are applied. So here the type I'm going to choose as multi-select. Okay, so let me check add. Okay, so before adding this field, first you need to give what are the options that you need to add in the multi-select. Okay, so I'm adding this in this field as environment, so I'm just giving you as a windows. Okay, and I give let me show. Okay, so this is the important guy. This is a formula you have to follow, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so I give like windows, Linux, I give just Android. So here like it shows like whether this field is a required field or not. So you have to be very careful when you choose this option, because once you give this option as a required field, then whatever the test case that you are adding or you are uploading, this field have definitely you should have some value you have to set it up, which is related to these three fields, okay, because you're choosing a multi-select here, not like a free text format, so you have to be very careful when you choose this option. So I'm just giving you for clicking OK, I will show you this one as well. So here, like, you might have a 10 projects or 12 projects. Maybe if you want to apply this to specific projects, then you can choose this option, but right now I'm just giving you to all the projects. Okay, click OK. So as you can see, this field is applicable for all the project in my TestRail. Okay, so let me add field. Okay, so now you can see this field is appeared here. Okay, so let's see it in our project whether it's coming or not before we again verifying the other fields here. I will just click add test case. Okay, as you can see the options here, the environment field where we have added. So thing is that we haven't not done the ordering. That's the reason it comes bottom, but we can change it now right away. Okay, let's go back to administration. There we can change it. So I click up and up. So basically, I don't know like how to completely pull it very top. I don't think they have that pulling option here, but it's okay right now. Okay, so let's go back and see our test suite. So as you can see, it's come in top. So you can choose options like this. So this will be useful like when you work in like in a very complex project, or maybe there are certain projects, maybe the certain fields you definitely needed to label it or something. So this will be very useful. Okay, here I just show you multi-select option, but you can do any option, guys, like it will work, because adding a custom fields like this when you want to filter a test case like this, it's a very useful. Okay, so it's like not like you always depend on the default fields for all these cases. Okay, so here also you can add any values as well in your test trial. Okay, so here there is so many testing types we have added. In case if you want to add any other specific types, you can do that as well. Okay, so let's see it how to do it in TestRail. I will first go to administration, then we will see. Here you can see a lot of testing types are there. Okay, smoke, sandy, uh, regression, performance, everything is there. We can add one more type as well. Okay, let me add can I add as a component. Yeah, component, just adding one option to component. Okay, so here we added one field. So let me check what are the other things that we can edit here. Okay, so here you can see low, medium, high, critical. So this is a priority of test casing. So here also you can add some options as well, or you can delete it as well. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add very low. Okay, very low options. Okay, very low. So if you want to make this one as a very low as a default, you have to just click this option, but in our case it's not required, so I'm just giving ignore that one. Okay, same like a test case status also. By default you see you have option like pass, blocked, untested, retest, and fail. These are the default values of the test trial. Okay, this NA, which I have added as a newly in my project. Like this, you can add it any options as well. um, let's say you want to add the status as in progress. Okay, let's say let me rename it here, in progress. So as you can see, you have added one more new status as well. So so what we have to check in the test cases, we have to check this in progress status. We have to check whether the component is coming or not. Yeah, so these two, we have to check whether it's coming or not in our test suite. Okay, and we have to check this one as well, the very low. So all these three options, we can see it in our actual project whether it's coming or not now. Okay, I will just click add test case. Okay, so the type, I have added one option as a component which is now coming. Okay, the new value which is coming. Environment also is already, we have seen it's coming. Okay, priority, we have added one more option as a very low, so that is also appear here. So the two options, whatever that we have added, it's already coming. Okay, so the only one thing we have to see is whether the status of the in progress status, whether it's coming or not. Okay, let's see in our test cases. What I will do, I will just click this. Okay, I will add the result. Okay, it's not coming here, so let's see what mistake we have done over there in administration. Okay, I think I didn't mention this status as a active. I think we need to select this, save status. Now let's see whether this new status is coming or not in our project. See, it's coming. So every value you have to just check the condition, like in order to implement in your project, like this, like adding a status like this for the test result, where you have to specifically click that status, like active option, sorry. But for other options like testing types like component or accessibility or regression, there you have no condition like that. So you can very well edit any of the existing values in TestRail. Okay, and similarly you can add new values, and also you can delete the existing values as well. So all the options are available in TestRail, guys. It's one of the best test management tool where you have a lot of flexibilities. Okay, like in other test management tools, I don't think they have this much of flexibility we'll have. So in TestRail, it's one of the best thing. Okay, so you can very well change it as per your project. So if you have any doubts on all these categories, you can very well mention in the comment section. Okay, so I can help you out in your real-time project as well, guys. Okay, so like this, I'm planning to do a couple of videos for the test trail as well. So if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe button, and thanks for watching, guys, and thank you.